Jambo Mo, it's me Hirana_KE. Welcome and welcome so much to my YouTube channel. Farming abroad. Farming abroad. Growing things here and there. Kindly watch this video up to the end. You will really get inspired and motivated. So, let's do this. We are doing this, so it's early in the morning. We farm morning, evening, daytime, anytime we can do farming. So the aim of my videos is to inspire you, to encourage you, motivate you, and we have fun. This is like our gym this summer. Gym at the farm. So several things we are going to plant them here and there. The farmers, Jojo's chronicles. So now we are done with the morning one. And let me tell you, every day is a new day. New opportunities, new chances, new everything. So let's now go. The farmer is there. Mukulima. Whoa. Let's do this. Watch this video up to the end. Tell us, how can we continue with the farming? Yes. Mukulima and the farmer. We go. Now we have our water here. Have you ever thought of making your own fertilizer? Very beautiful ones. With the leaves of bananas for potassium. And then eggs for calcium. Okay, calcium, and you will see this one, the snails. I don't know how it ended there, but then I add water there, making fertilizer. How to make fertilizer for yourself. Then you just come and use the water to water the plants. You see? Ooh. By evening, this will be very good mixture to use in the farm. Okay. See, the snails are everywhere. So then we leave it to rest. Yeah. If you are a farmer and you have a lot of bananas, you can use the bananas to make your own fertilizer. See? Then we just cover it. By evening, our fertilizer will be ready. Manure. The water is very rich in potassium and calcium. There. Alot. Homemade. And then we have this one, which is bought from the shop. This one. The one we have used. This type. This is shoelace. Shoelace alot. That one. But this one is the Jojo's. And it looks like this. Let me show you. Looks like this. So that is it. So we will just come and put it here and start watering. And this is the containers for children to bring water from the river. Easy to fetch. So we have another one here, which we put yesterday. You see? Egg and banana leaves. Eggshell and banana leaves. You see? Woohoo! Eggshell. This one. Someone may be asking, what is it really? This one. Eggshell and banana leaves. You make very nice homemade manure. So they will only wait for us here. Evening we just come and use it. No. Here no. Now we have to go. Go home and get and see. We go Let me see if this one is growing in any direction. This is our ginger. Another one is here. It's a trial. Nice. And this one is the onion, which we got it from there. So I want to see, this is an experiment to see, how does onion seeds, how do we get onion seeds? I guess it will come from here because this one has started to flower. How to get onion seeds? It's a great experience. Anyway, let's keep going. Let's see you in the evening when we'll be coming to water using our fertilizer there. And also making of raised beds. We go. The farmer. Let's go. We are done. Great. We are done. Ooh, it's falling down. See you in the evening when we will be doing the watering. A great experience farming abroad. Jokes aside. Oh, yo. See you. Kindly get motivated, inspired, and have fun. Whatever you do, have fun. Yes. Alafu sasa watu wapanga. Shamba imeng'ara. Tuchomoke nyumbani. Yes, my people. I promise you that. See you in the evening when we will be coming and putting water to the farm. I think this is my new hobby. My new hobby is going to the farm. Now it's evening. It's 5 minutes to 7 in the evening. Don't wonder what I am coming with. I'm coming with flowers. I'm coming from the shop. So you know I work with farm clothes in the car nowadays. I can change any minute and go to the farm. So I have these flowers. We call it sametikuka. And I'm told that sametikuka can chase away insects. So I have brought it here. At least when you have a hobby to do, you don't get bored. You don't get bored. Nobody is here. You only catch up with the time, anytime, any minute. So our farm now, the crops are there. I want to plant these flowers. At least we can be seeing a flower in the farm. And then we go get water them. Then we call it a day. Morning, evening, going to the farm. This is serious. And I also have some water here. Drinking water. We have to hydrate. During summertime, drink a lot of water so that you don't dry up. Dehydration. So, we drink some water before we go to the farm. We have done a very good job. So, my people, what are you planning to do during this holiday? For those people who are in holiday or on holiday, what are you planning to do? Let's do this. Then that is enough. One of the most important thing during summertime, because the sun shines a lot, and the temperature today, for example, was 23, very hot. So drink a lot of liquids. drink a lot of liquids. You see, people have planted several things. We use these white things to cover them. We also have we have brought one of it there, so that we'll use to cover the ones which I want to grow very soon. Here is ours. There. Let me show you. This is the farm. I had shown you in the morning. So now we want to go and get water and put this one, water. Then I will plant some of I have brought some mint. Nileta mint na nini mama? Mint and kali. Mint and sukuma wiki. Ya inchi. So you see, we have made some beds, but we never finished because we just wanted to spend 2 hours in the morning at the farm and we are done. So now let's go to the river and get water. I had shown you how to get water from the river. So we are not going with you. We want to do this chop. We take the shortest time possible and be done. Our potatoes needs to be done something. So let's do this. This is what we have. What is the name of this peito? Peito arso. This one. This is €2. And then we have mintu. I don't know if it will grow, but we try. It needs to be toukokuusa, but giving it a trial. And then this one also needed to be earlier, but we give it a trial. I will not put all of them. Maybe 3 months from now it will be ready. We can eat it directly after all. So this is what I want to grow this evening. Then we go. Let's go to the river. So my people, we are doing the planting during this evening. And I have made a nursery here. And I want to plant these flowers here. I want to just put them there so that it can help with the insects or what. I don't know. It is good. It has a good smell which can chase away the insects. So I want to do the planting here. In fact, I can use my hand like this. Or you can even use a stick. You use the available materials. You make the lines. Planting. I'm not a left-handed person, but I have come to realize that nowadays I use my left hand so much. I never knew that one day I can use my left hand. I think because we drive the cars here using mostly left hand. The cars here are left-handed. So I've come to realize that my right hand is not doing a lot of work nowadays. So we want to do some planting here. I don't know if it is late or not late, but we are doing this. Kali late. So let me check. The seeds, it's not a lot. Come and see. Oh, this one is this. They are available in the shop. So I'm going to put them here. Slowly. I don't know how long it will take to grow. I will water them on a serious note with our fertilizer, the one you saw. As I put this down, today is on, what is the date? 3rd of June. I'm trying to spread it. 3rd of June. It has remained very little. I will take this one home so that we can also grow them at home. Very little one. So I put them here, then I grow at home. Hey, the sun is shining. Let me see. Woo. Woo. Then we cover them lightly. Then I will water. Then we will have to name it. I left the Tusi at the car. I have to go and get the marker. Then we mark this one and we mark the date. Hey, this is a very good therapy. And here we have the flower, which can help to chase away. So this one we are taking it home. This one we are planting them at home. The remaining ones. And then this one I am yet to plant this one somewhere. Where can we plant? I can make this corner here. I want to make this corner here, then I plant it here. So my people, thank you so much for watching my video from the start to the end. Allow me do this very fast, then we go back home. Nowadays the day time is longer. For example, now it's 7. I think it's almost 7:30 in the evening, 7:30 p.m. and the sun is still shining. I think now the sunset is almost 10. Sunrise is almost 3 a.m. So we have long day. So allow me do this, and I will share them with you each and every time. Updates here and there. The aim of my videos is to inspire you, encourage you, motivate you, explore with me, and have fun with me, Ilona. So thank you so much for watching my videos. Farming abroad. I never dreamed, or I never knew, or I never thought even a single minute that one day I will do farming or gardening in somebody's country. It never even flashed my mind. But now, here we are. Loving it. This is my new hobby. See you in my next video. Bye bye. Kabush. We're doing what? Pushing forward. Bye.